Bell Robotics. As a golf club manager, you know that golfers need to be completely relaxed to have the best swing possible. The automation of your golf facilities will allow you to manage your club with complete peace of mind. For you, we have designed an innovative, adaptive, and automated solution that will allow you to work with serenity. Our system consists of 3 distinct and complementary phases, which guarantee you savings, a better ecological footprint, and an optimization of the planning of your teams. The mowing of your lawn will always be perfect thanks to our robot mowers equipped with our ingenious GPS RTK system, now also working with WiseNav. The system allows a cut in perfect stripes and guarantees an irreproachable aesthetic to your grounds. In addition, our robots are light and their wheels do not leave tracks on the driving range. It will always be perfectly even. They are made from robust material and are able to withstand the impacts of golf balls. Shutting down the range to collect balls is not required, as the cutting heads are equipped with ball protection discs to prevent damaging the balls. Our ball collecting robots are responsible for collecting the balls hit from the driving range. The balls pass over a roller, which spins and moves the ball into the hopper of the machine. It can contain up to 300 balls. Our robots work day and night, convenient if you organize evening sessions. GPS RTK technology allows you to delimit areas and customize its workspace. You can easily set up areas where the robot will not mow, or even no-go zones that will prevent the robot from entering, according to the attendance of your club and the profile of the players present. The robots can be controlled from the palm of your hand through our dedicated app. Once they have accomplished their mission, these robots head to the drop pit, where they dump their load. In order to benefit from the GPS RTK system, your land must meet certain criteria and not have too many trees. A good Wi-Fi signal is necessary, as well as the installation of an RTK terminal or a 4G connection. Thanks to our partners, a complete solution is available from picking up, cleaning, to filling your dispensers. With this system, once they arrive at the drop pit, our robots activate an arm that will trigger a jet of water or compressed air that will push the balls underground to the washing station. Once there, the balls are washed, sorted, dried, and then collected in a tank. The balls will then be distributed to the dispensers with a compressed air system or just with a gravity feed, so that your players never have to worry about anything else than their swing. The 3 phases of our system work symbiotically, but together we can design a tailor-made solution that perfectly matches your needs. Our system is completely silent. Your infrastructure will remain calm and quiet, conducive to the practice of playing golf. With Bell Robotics, you'll get free, valuable resources that can be reassigned to other tasks, such as improving details on your course. Trust our expertise. For more information, visit our website, www.bellrobotics.com.